If you follow me on social media, you know that picture because I posted it a couple weeks ago, right at the beginning of January, after I did a CO2 fractional laser at Utah Facial Plastics. Well, Alfie and Beth are here, both nurses from Utah Facial Plastics, and we're talking about that procedure today. A lot of people asked me so many questions about this, so I'm glad you two are here.
Yeah.
The results are incredible.
You look amazing. You look
so here's my 1 day after the procedure, and there's 5 days after the procedure.
Mm-hmm. So there's a little bit of downtime with this.
How much downtime?
With the CO2, about a week, because it is a little bit more invasive than our other laser that's subablative. This one's a little bit more invasive, so there is about a week downtime.
So Alfie, when people are saying, well, I've done a laser treatment or I've done a chemical peel, and you're usually pretty good in a day or two, how is this different?
This gets really deep. So this takes care of fine lines and wrinkles, acne scars, pores, underneath the eyes, amazing, like we were talking about. You know, everything, hyperpigmentation, stretch marks. Everything.
Does it take care of stretch marks?
It can take care of stretch marks.
I didn't know that. So who is this for, Beth?
Well, the CO2 is really for anybody that is struggling with, you know, topicals that they've been trying, or just less aggressive treatments like chemical peels and things like that. So this is going to be for a more aggressive treatment approach.
Everyone asked me, is it painful? I mean, when you see that picture of me, you think, why on earth? Why on earth would you do this to your face?
Right.
But the results, I think, after you see why.
Yeah.
It wasn't
we
painful.
forget about that. No, yeah, it's
it
not
wasn't
painful. Yeah, we numb you, and with the CO2, we do give pain medication also, just for the heat after.
I didn't need it.
Good. That's great.
I didn't need it. Honestly, it felt like a sunburn.
Yeah.
I mean, that's really what it feels like. And then there's the healing process, right? So you get a little itchy. But within 5 days, I couldn't believe the difference.
Amazing, yeah. You look great.
So here's some other before and afters. Does it actually tighten the skin as well?
It does. And we also have the Viva, which is a little less invasive.
So what's that?
That one is a little less invasive and it requires more treatments, but it doesn't require the downtime.
What do you recommend to most people? Does it depend on their skin?
It's going to depend on their skin and how aggressive they want to get. And so the Venus Viva is great for it's perfect for all skin types, which means all ethnicities. So anybody can do the Venus Viva. So that's a huge advantage about that laser. It's going to be great for just minimizing the pores, fine lines, evening out your skin tone. So many different treatment options with the Venus Viva.
What I love about both of these is if you're not ready to do something surgical, but you're just frustrated with something on your skin, be it a sunspot or a dark mark or just fine lines, this takes care of those. For how long?
So the CO2, it depends, honestly, for everybody. But some people can do it every year. Some people don't need to do it for a few years. I mean, it really just depends.
But this is one of those that if you don't have the time to take 5 or 6 or 7 days off, there are other little options that you can do.
Yes, and that's about a downtime of like 3 to 4 days, a little bit of redness. It's not as invasive as what you
and I have also done a chemical peel.
Yes,
would you recommend those as well?
Yeah, definitely. More superficial, no downtime. It's like a lunchtime peel. Yeah.
Beth, is February, March a good time to schedule these?
The perfect time because we're not in the sun as much. So the skin is really sensitive after all of these skin resurfacing treatments. So it's the perfect time to take advantage of it.
Well, and after you do something like this, I will have a wide-brimmed hat from now on because you're so amazed at how
life-changing,
brighter.
Yes,
your skin looks.
Your whole appearance.
You're really glowing. Does. I'm glowy.
You're
when my 14-year-old notices, you know that it did the trick. You have something for our viewers right now. I know.
We have specials in the month of February. $100 off the fractional CO2, as well as with our Venus Viva. It's buy 2 treatments, get the 3rd one free, and the Venus Viva treatments are spaced 1 month apart.
So all the information on your screen, everybody, Utah Facial Plastics, that is their website. Go to goodforutah.com/GTU. Dr. Thompson, Beth, Alfie, all incredible. You will definitely be taken care of over there. UtahFacialPlastics.com for more information. This is one I can recommend. I mean, this is absolutely, this is not for TV.
Amazing. No, I love it. Life-changing.
We need to show your before and after.
I will. I'll dig those up. And we have to head to the newsroom now.